Hey, what's up guys, this is Fix It Felix. I'm going to show you how to replace the passenger exterior door handle on a 2006 Nissan Titan. In this case mine works. I'm just doing this video to show you how to replace it. You need a flathead screwdriver or some pliers to remove this plug right here. You can just take it out. And then using another screwdriver with the T30, you have to remove that screw right there. Once you unscrew it, don't worry about the screw falling down. It won't come out, like it won't fall down, because it has a safety clip right there. So what you have to do is just take it out, or like unscrew it all the way. It's not going to come out, so don't worry. So yeah, just unscrew it all the way. Once you unscrew it all the way, you can use a magnet to pull the screw just a little bit outside right there, and then this part will come out. Once you remove this part, you can push this to the left and it comes out. So super easy. Then to replace, you can just put it back and then just push all the way to the right. There. And you put this back and you screw and you put it back. Hold on. There. There. It's really simple, really easy to fix, to replace. There. I will put a link down below where you can buy the door handle just in case you need it. So I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please give a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. As always, peace.